Have you ever heard of the 3-2-1 backup rule? It's a rule that people use to safely save all of their photos, videos, and files. Why is it needed? Because as much as we don't want to admit it, our electronics don't last forever. Phones can get lost, stolen, broken, laptops can get corrupted, lose files, and we keep so much precious information on these devices. Not just passwords, but contacts, notes, voice notes, and of course, all of those photos and videos that we would be devastated if we lost. I'm Stephanie, I'm a tech expert, and today we're going to learn the 3-2-1 rule for backing up all of your files. Most people think, oh, my files are saved somewhere. They're on my computer, but aren't they also on a cloud? I'm not really sure where that is or what's on the cloud and what's on my computer. This can be a little concerning when we remember that not every electronic device is meant to last forever. Yes, we could gripe about planned obsolescence when it comes to phones and maybe computers and other electronics, but in reality, we need to be empowered to be able to back up all of our own files ourselves. Losing everything on a personal or work laptop or everything on your phone can be so devastating. So the 3-2-1 backup rule is one of the world's most trusted processes for backing up your data. This philosophy is used by business owners, IT professionals, creators, photographers, the list goes on. A lot of us learn the hard way that we really need to be extra safe when it comes to backing up our files. You don't have to be techie. There's a lot of options when it comes to the 3-2-1 rule. One that I will mention today is the Ultimate Backup System. They're a company that makes backing up files really simple, but this is a tool that works within the 3-2-1 system. So let's dive into what it is. You need 3 copies of your data on 2 different types of media with 1 copy stored off-site. So what does all of that mean? Starting with 3. 3 copies means the original file, a backup, and another backup. So it might be a photo on your phone, one that's on your ultimate backup, and one that's on a cloud storage system. One single backup can fail. 1 copy can get lost. People may think, oh, I have it on a drive. What if you lose that drive? Oh, I have it on my laptop. What if the laptop gets corrupted? What if the laptop and the hard drive are corrupted? Maybe you still have it on the cloud. When you have a photo, a video, a file that you need to be sure you will always have, when it's stored in 3 different places, you are protected from multiple types of failure. The 2 in the 3-2-1 rule is 2 different types of media or 2 different types of storage. So maybe a flash drive is one type and a computer is another. Or you have that photo on an ultimate backup and a cloud. It seems a little redundant from the 3, but the point of the 2 is you don't just want 3 different flash drives, you may want a flash drive and a cloud storage system. Here's the different types of storage that essentially exist today. Internal, that is the storage that's in your phone or in your computer. External, that could be a hard drive, a flash drive, an SD card, a micro SD card. You may hear the term hard drive and solid state drive. Very similar. Hard drives of old, they were heavy because they had a lot more parts, including moving parts that created friction, which created heat. They also could be loud and inefficient and kind of slow. So solid state drive is just a more updated type of hard drive. And then the third type of storage that people use today, in addition to internal and external, is cloud. Cloud storage is essentially when a company owns a server or computer that your documents, your files, photos, videos are saved on. It's great because those things can be accessed anywhere where you have internet. So some examples of cloud storage systems are Microsoft's OneDrive, the Google Drive, which is my personal favorite, and of course, iCloud. One caveat about cloud storage that some people don't think about is sometimes they are synced systems with synced folders. So if you delete something on a folder on your computer, you might actually be deleting it on the cloud. In these systems, you are trusting another company with your data, making sure it's always there and protected. Sometimes servers go down. It happens every now and then. One of the lessons of this video is no technical system is perfect. Why is it important to have different types of storage? Because shared vulnerabilities can be dangerous. For example, if your computer and hard drive are both plugged into the same power source and a power surge fries those devices, if those are the only two types of storage, then you're out of luck. Ransomware could encrypt multiple computers on a single network. Different types of storage ensure that one event won't wipe out everything. I actually think there's another category of storage. We talked about internal, external, and cloud, but then there's also the real world, the physical world. So maybe it's like a old recipe card that your grandma wrote. You can have the physical document and then take a photo of it on your phone, store that photo on the cloud, and then maybe also have that on an ultimate backup device. We've gone over 3 different copies on 2 different types of storage, and the one is store one off-site. This is actually why people love cloud, because cloud servers are usually in some remote location. The reason we want something off-site is because a local disaster can destroy everything, including different media types, in one physical place. So if you have lots of different flash drives and hard drives and computers and phones in one home that gets hit by a natural disaster, all of those might be gone. So one type of storage that is off-site. It could be a parent's house. It could be a safety deposit box at a bank. This is actually where a new ultimate backup feature called Keep Safe comes in handy, because that is a type of offsite storage. They can even send you another ultimate backup with your files on it if you happen to lose this one. So multiple copies in multiple places, multiple types is smart. So we've gone through 3, 2, 1. What could this actually look like? Say this summer you attend a family reunion. Those photos are priceless. You want them for generations to come. Maybe you've got the photo of everyone in the extended family. One could live on your phone. One could live on your ultimate backup device, which, by the way, is so easy to use. It's universal. You plug it in. It'll prompt you to download the app. It's forever free. Make an account and just say what you want to back up. So photos, videos, contacts, and more. And then you just press one button and it does the work for you. It always remembers where you left off, and you can go from device to device. There are a lot of physical storage devices, but some things that make Ultimate Backup different is that it's truly universal. So if you've ever used other hard drives where you're manually spending hours on a Saturday trying to drag and drop everything from your computer to a hard drive, you may have messed it up. You may have moved over duplicates. Things may get a little unorganized. I know that's happened to me, but with Ultimate Backup, it is a system that always remembers where it's left off, so it's not moving over duplicates. There's a wide variety of storage sizes, including as much as a terabyte, all the way down to like 32 gigs if you are someone that doesn't have a lot of photos on their phone. And there's a lot of extra fun features built in, like photo editing tools and a photo scanner. So the 3-2-1 system is just having a plan. It's not relying on one device to be there forever to store all of your precious memories. Ultimate Backup is a great way to save everything for the long haul, but there's a lot of other routes you can take as well. I would definitely recommend Ultimate Backup as one part of your 3-2-1 plan. If you're nostalgic like me and you're really focused on backing up photos, there's actually a little photo gift case that Ultimate Backup came out with recently. So you could maybe get an Ultimate Backup Max like this, put it in the little photo gift case, and print out a photo, and it's all in one neat, tidy place. Could be a cute gift for holidays, birthdays, and it's a practical gift as well. When we learn more about how to back up our devices, we don't always have to rely on other people to do it. We can do it ourselves. Remember, 3 copies on 2 different storage types and 1 offsite. This is the foolproof way to bypass the fact that all electronics eventually fail, but when you've got multiple systems in place, all of your memories can be saved for many years and generations to come. I hope this inspires you to start backing up your phone, tablet, laptop today. Again, I'm Stephanie. I'm a tech expert. If you're interested in getting your own Ultimate Backup, there is a link in the description. I'm always here to help you find cool tech gadgets and learn more about consumer electronics. So I'll see you in the next video.